Will AI replace salespeople? Here's why it won't happen. In one of my greatest success stories as a top sales consultant, I helped a client create a strategy and execute a plan to turn their biggest account, the largest user of their products worldwide, from a 3-year bid on the lowest price to a 10-year negotiated deal worth over $200 million. The key that led to this transformation was not AI. If AI had been available, then sure, they could have done all their research on their client whom they knew well. They could have gotten all the tech specs that they needed, read the testimonials, etc. But what would AI not have been able to provide that helped close the deal? In one word, relationships. My clients, the VP and major account executive, they grew up with their customers' decision makers as they were all starting their careers at the same time. They knew each other well enough to where unshakable trust was developed, a deep trust. So when their clients asked deep, penetrating questions on issues, they were able to read between the lines, allowing my client to ask powerful questions in return. Because of the strength of their relationships, their customer was willing to answer because they knew my client had their best interests at heart. AI is only as good as your question is in the prompt. Most people don't even ask the right questions. My client was able to read between the lines and saddle up with their customer in different settings, such as lunch, dinner, golf, etc. A different setting often lowers one's resistance to new ideas. They can breathe and dream about the what-ifs. This is not about bribing people with meals. So if you're wondering if sales execs should embrace AI, heck yeah! Because today the effective use of AI will positively impact a sales executive's success. For example, I used AI to gain some ideas I can research and write about in this week's video blog. What do you need help with to gain sales velocity? That's today's Velocity Mindset message. Please be good to yourself and others, and I'll see you in a couple of days.